Hey everyone, it's Fiktxun Crypto back at it again with another video. Today we're going to go over the Sologenic price. I'm going to be giving my price predictions. We're going to look over the chart as well. So this is going to be a shorter video, just simply going over the price and the charts and what to expect. So let's get straight into this video. Before we take a look at the chart, I want to show you all the company that we're covering in their official Twitter handle. So once again, this is Sologenic. You can find them on Twitter at @TheRealSologenic. Boom. If you have any questions and concerns, you can go to them and ask them. I am not affiliated with Sologenic or anyone outside of Fiktxun Crypto. And remember, this is not financial advice. So we're going to go into this chart and I'm going to show you all what I see in the market. The first thing I want to do with this video is get this price prediction and this chart analysis out the way, because I know a lot of people are looking for that. And why not just start the video on a different key? So you see my chart is marked up and I am on the weekly chart, which is something that I like to do when I trade. We do top-down analysis. So let's just check out this monthly chart real quick and I'll tell you why I have everything drawn up from the monthly chart, which are my white lines right here, these two lines, and my liquidity zones. The reason I have this liquidity zone right here is because we have liquidity in the wicks. This is how I trade. Also, this is when you see liquidations in buys, price movement. So this is my liquidity zone right here, and we'll get into my price prediction, but let's break this down a little bit better. We're going to go down to our daily chart just so you can see what's been going on and what this chart is looking like. And as you can see down here, this is another liquidity zone right here, which I'm really not looking at because we set our resistance right here. This was our turnaround point on the market, and you can easily see this uptrend coming in, especially with these types of moves right here. Once you have a resistance like this and it punches through to another zone, clearing out an old resistance over here, I believe that is one of my confirmations for upward trajectory on these charts and for this token. Today Sologenic is already up 11% on the day, and since we did that video yesterday. So if you all are watching our content, hey, it's not financial advice, but every time we put a video out about a token, it seems to go the right way. I don't know, man. I'm pretty accurate with these trades as well. So what I'm looking at is a potential push up to the upside. Since we are in a bull market, I do see that happening. Right now, I believe we're going to push up to about this 15 to 16 cent price, but still kind of consolidate back down to this 13.7 cent price to 14 cent price before moving up to this liquidity zone that we have on our monthly. Now let me scoot myself over right here. Let's put a fib on this move. So you can easily see from this move we can get to our liquidity zone, but what I want to do is I want to show a better price point. So we're going to take it from our last high and we're going to take this all the way down, and let me scoot this down, and you can see just from this last move we have to clear this area right here. We definitely have to clear this area before we can get to these prices. And you see that we are moving up in this uptrend. This is very interesting price action and price movement for me. So I just tell everybody to stay focused, stay locked in, watch what Sologenic and XUMM is doing, and I believe we're about ready to blast off. You see, our 1618 is at 27 cents. So if we can zero out, which is about the 20-cent level, and break even with the gains that we've made from down here to right back up here, oh man, we have some trajectory going. We have some trajectory. That's just bottom line. So you can really see how Sologenic moves just based off the chart history. And Sologenic is one of those tokens, just like XRP. When it decides to move, it moves drastically. It moves drastically. It moves drastically. And I have to emphasize that. So this is just my price prediction. I believe we're gonna push up to 21 cents. We may see 13 cent before we get there, but we have in our sights 28 cent, 38 cent, and then around 51 cent, which all makes sense to me because we're going to be clearing out this old liquidity to move up in this market. Now that we have some new support levels established on this chart, especially coming from this bottom side, where do you think that Sologenic price is going? I told you we're looking at 21 cent, 28 cent, 40 cent, and 51 cent. I believe Sologenic is going to be moving pretty quickly when it moves. So, not financial advice, get in position if you can. Let me know in the comments, guys, and we're gonna leave this video off with a message of the day. It's 4:30 in the morning, so what can I say to everybody to give people inspiration? Really, just keep going. You don't really understand how people view you because sometimes you have a negative view of yourself in your own head. People look up to you as a light, and you have to continue to keep doing what you're supposed to be doing on earth. I believe God gave everybody an assignment and a designation for their lives. So continue to keep moving, keep grinding, especially if you're watching this video. It was meant for it to happen. But hey man, it's another day, another dollar, and we gotta keep grinding. It's Fiktxun Crypto, everybody. Peace.